Searching for the best embroidery machine of 2025? Look no further. In this video, we'll showcase the top 3 embroidery machines that combine performance, durability, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional, these machines are sure to enhance your creativity. Watch our detailed reviews to discover the perfect match for your crafting journey. Stay tuned and find your ideal embroidery companion today. Number 3. The Brother NQ1700E embroidery machine offers an excellent combination of features, performance, and value for both beginners and experienced users. With a spacious 6-inch by 10-inch embroidery field, it's perfect for creating large designs, such as jacket backs or intricate patterns. The inclusion of the Brother BS Blue embroidery software, featuring 800-plus designs and 199 fonts, provides endless creative opportunities for personalization and professional quality embroidery. This machine stands out with its full-color 4.85-inch LCD touchscreen, allowing you to easily edit, rotate, and position designs with precision. Additionally, the magnetic sash frame, CMF 180, simplifies the hooping process, accommodating materials up to 2 millimeters thick with strong magnets. Wireless capabilities ensure seamless access to additional licensed designs via Embroidery. One of its most convenient features is the automatic thread trimming, which cuts both upper and lower threads at the end of each color change, saving time and effort. Reviews highlight its ease of use and smooth operation, even for those with no prior experience. With added bonuses like the Embroidery Magic Video Guide and thoughtful packaging by the seller, this machine delivers on all fronts. Whether you're new to embroidery or upgrading your equipment, the Brother NQ1700E is a reliable, user-friendly, and feature-packed choice that exceeds expectations. Number 2. The Pullin OC06 embroidery machine combines functionality, affordability, and a large embroidery area, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and small businesses alike. Its 7.9-inch by 11-inch embroidery field accommodates larger projects like t-shirts, clothing, and bedding, while the included 5.5 by 5.5-inch, 8x8-inch, and 7.9 by 11-inch hoops provide versatility for various project sizes. Equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, the machine allows for intuitive editing and combining of patterns and lettering, much like using a smartphone. The Stitch i3 computer system simplifies operations, helping users shorten their learning curve. Additionally, with 156 built-in designs, 8 fonts, and 10 languages, the Pullin OC06 is ready for creative projects right out of the box. The inclusion of embroidery supplies like threads, stabilizers, and pre-wound bobbins ensures you can start immediately. Customer reviews praise its affordable price compared to big-name brands, the robust build with metal components, and the standout customer service. Users highlighted Pullin's active Facebook community and responsive support team, especially the one-on-one assistance provided by their engineers. Despite minor challenges with tension, which were quickly resolved with excellent after-sales support, the machine impressed users with its quality embroidery results and ease of use. For its features, affordability, and exceptional support, the Pullin OC06 is a top-notch embroidery machine worth considering. Number 1. The Stitch S11 embroidery machine is a top-tier commercial-grade embroidery machine designed for versatility, efficiency, and ease of use. With its 10-needle setup and a maximum speed of 1200 SPM, this machine handles intricate multicolor designs effortlessly. Its 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area accommodates a wide range of projects, from hats and t-shirts to denim, leather, and even bags, making it ideal for commercial use or ambitious hobbyists. The 7-inch touchscreen provides intuitive control over functions, while features like auto thread trimming, color changing, thread break detection, and laser embroidery positioning ensure precision and seamless operation. The machine also includes a self-lubrication system for durability and quieter performance. With its ability to store up to 100 million stitches, it is built to handle extensive embroidery demands. User reviews highlight the exceptional customer support and resources offered by Stitch, including personalized 1:1 training, video tutorials, and a supportive user community. Beginners with no prior experience have praised its friendly learning curve and straightforward setup. The included starter pack, with threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads, ensures you're ready to start immediately. However, users recommend learning basic digitizing techniques for more advanced designs. In summary, the S1001 embroidery machine is a reliable, feature-rich choice for anyone looking to create professional-quality embroidery with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and crafting tips. Let us know in the comments which embroidery machine you're considering, or if you have any questions. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tools and trends. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.